Thank you for tuning in on this channel. Today I will be partnering up with Beauty Forever Hair. They sent me over a 13x6 lace frontal wig in 150 density and 14 inches. So if you want to see how this wig look, stay tuned. You guys already know what this packaging is looking like. It do have their logo in the front, as well as how to properly measure your hair and maintain your wigs. When you open up the box, it do look like this. You do get a pair of pretty lashes. Your wig comes in a packaging like this. I'm just gonna take my wig out this little Ziploc baggie, and y'all already know I love using these little Ziploc bags because this is how I store my wigs. And the wigs do come in a hairnet, so we want to take that off with some foam paper in the middle, as well as some tissue paper inside. Now this is a Beauty Forever wig off of Amazon. As y'all can see, this wig do have a lot of baby hairs. The texture of this hair is silky straight. This is how the lace is looking. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm just going to turn the wig inside out and let you guys know all the tea on the construction, honey. Now, it do have a comb in the nape area, as well as two combs on the side. It do not have a comb in the crown area. It also has some lace back here, as well as some adjustable straps. I'm running my hands through it. I'm not getting no snags. This hair is very soft. I'm not getting any shedding. The ends are lovely. Hopefully you guys can see that. The hair does not have no funky smell. It just smells like regular human hair. I'm gonna go in and play with the parting a little bit because I want to try something different. I want to do something different. I always have the same look, whether it's a middle part, a side part, straight hair, curly hair. I want to do something different. So I may do a little asymmetrical bob. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. So I'm gonna just go in and just get my parting together, and I'm gonna flat iron it, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys how it look on camera. So stay tuned. be an asymmetrical bob. As y'all can see, that did not go as planned. Do I wish I was able to achieve my asymmetrical bob? Yeah, I do wish I was. Do I think it was a fail? Not so really. Do I like it? Hell yeah. But even though I did get center happy with this wig, it does not shed. That is an amazing factor. I am still trying to get the wig the way I want it to lay flat. In a nutshell, I have to be satisfied because I do like this look. It's different. I wanted something different anyway, something new. So I am feeling this little bob thing going on. I just really hope I'm not out here looking like Dora or the little person from Shrek.
Mirror, show her to me. Show me the princess.
So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button as well as smash that subscribe button and hit that bell next to that subscribe button and turn on all your post notifications so every time I upload a video, you guys can be notified. And like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. I'll talk to y'all later. Until the next time, peace.